Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial series, we are going to learn about C programming language and what are the usages of C programming language and how C programming language works. So, first of all, I welcome all of you to tune my channel in order to learn interesting stuff. And let's see what is the C programming language and how does C programming language works. So, first of all, we have some instructions that we want computer to execute, and we write those instructions in a programming language. So there are basically two types of programming languages. The first one is lower level programming language and the second one is higher level programming language. The low level programming languages consist of assembly language and binary code simply, and the high level programming languages are more close to human understandable programming, human understandable language. So it is very easy to understand high level programming language. So C is also a high level programming language. We can understand and give instructions to computer very easily. So what basically happens is this: we give instructions to computer in form of C or C++ code or C++ programming language. That code gets converted into assembly level code, and that assembly level code then again converted into binary code, and this binary code is understandable by our processor or our computer in order to perform specific tasks that we have mentioned in our program or that we have mentioned using C programming language. So this is the place where we write instructions, and this is the place from where computer actually gets instructions to perform a certain tasks. And the assembly level code, this is the code that is in between computer and binary code. So I am also planning to start a tutorial series on assembly level code, but not now. This is some advanced level stuff that we will see after completing some basic level stuff. So in this tutorial series, we will be focusing more on some basic programming concepts such as loops, control conditions, and these kind of things that will help you further in learning more programming concepts. And now, if you are someone like me, then you will be asking the question that why we are learning C programming language and what are the uses of C programming language. So don't worry, I got you covered there. So the first and the most basic use of C programming language is writing operating system. Let's say this Windows environment on which I am making this tutorial is mostly been written on C or C++. And if you are familiar with microcontrollers, then the microcontrollers also uses C or C++ programming language to get programmed or performed a certain kind of task. And then there are some drivers like the drivers that derives this mouse or the display drivers are written mostly on the C or C++ basic programming languages. And the C is also used in order to taught students how to start building logics to solve a certain problem in the programming world. So C or C++ are very important in the building of programming logic as well. And if you are someone who is writing programs to interact directly with the operating system, then the C will also help you in those kind of stuff as well, because C is very simple, very agile, and it can interact directly with operating system as well. So this was the introduction of what is C and what are the usage of C programming language. And hopefully in the next tutorial, in the next video, we are going to install the dev C++ compiler, and we will look at our hello world program. That will be our first program in the C programming language. Then you will get what is actually C and what are some basic grammar or syntax or letters that has been used in the C programming language. So till then, stay tuned and keep watching videos because you will learn amazing and interesting stuff. Till next time, see you, take care, goodbye.